Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. Just as continue our discussion on introduction to managerial accounting. So let us now proceed to module 00.04, Theory of Constraints. Theory of Constraints is an engineering concept which everybody can use and can be used easily. Okay, what is theory of constraints? It is a sequential process of identifying and removing constraints in a system. Very simple. That is theory of constraints. Sequential process. Sequential process meaning step 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a sequence of steps. There are series of steps that must be made one after the other in orderly fashion. Okay? Restrictions are barriers that impede progress towards an objective. So there are several barriers in our daily business operations. So identify those, and those are our target for removal or improvement. Okay? We need to identify those things and try to remove that. Try to solve that. Okay? So theory of constraints. So simple step. There are 4 that we can use to be guided our activities towards implementation of theory of constraints. Number 1, step 1, identify the weakest link in the chain, which is the constraint. The weakest link is the constraint. Okay. Step 2, identify meaning you have to list down. If there is only one thing, so be it. Only one weakest link. There might be several weakest link. Okay. Step 2, do not place the greater strain on the system than the weakest link can handle. If you implement solution or improvement, that should be more than the weakest link. And you can rank the identified links so that actually you have to do it. Identify all the steps, all the operational steps in your production line, for example, or in the process, or in your business process. Okay? So that you can rank it. And after ranking it, you can identify which one is the weakest link. Number 1, weakest link, number 2, and 3, so on. And do not put improvement in the system that is right at the top of the, for example, top 5 weakest link. Okay? And step 3, concentrate improvement efforts on strengthening the weakest link. So always give it a try to improve, to think about solving this. Even a little improvement is okay. No need to, again, waste so much time to think of a brilliant solution right away. No need for that. Okay? Just make a simple solution that will improve it slightly, and then it is a cycle, another cycle, improve it another small improvement, then you can have a very big improvement after some time. If improvement efforts are successful, the weakest link will improve. Okay, and that is the end of our current lecture. Thank you for listening. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.